Mitharay promise batu Livingstone. Kila ban kelat ya kan ni?
Kata kasong akikan. Saya am beliau. Bagi beliau ndola temian kilong biang kelung. Kini baru armut laki samla biang.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka Cot Admission nakamta ka Nursing but Paramedical Course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka Buy Admission ka Badunatam, but Shispa % ka Jingïalang. Pila ru ban apply da ka Education Loan.
Ka Migalai State Planning Board kala Shong Jingïalang banyatheria tai, but ki Ophisar hakarap kandai trip ya yong ara jarap hunriu, nagbenta ka Pynkhreh ya ka National Games ka Bansalong, host nam ara jarap hunyo, hakin ka jala Migalaya. Hagajinga kira makilap thai ku board remulawai ka Jingïalang. Chairman jonggo board Abu Tahir Mandal ulaong bagajinga kira kalong ban penbit penbiang ikijaga yang kali ban pet bikijaga ilek kai kinlong kibala pendep pura nalor ka penbiang ikijaga sa joginong ilek kai bat ki officials.
Today the Meghalaya State Planning Board has set to deliberate on the preparedness of national games which is supposed to be held next year, and we discussed. Our meeting was inconclusive because there is a central team from the sports department has come. They are also having a meeting in 3. We are again sitting back. So far so good. We discussed about the venues, how many games will be conducted in Meghalaya, and what are the infrastructure and how we are approaching, including the preparedness on the part of the participants, on the accommodation of various discipline athletics and athletes, and also the officials who will be coming and visiting. They have given a conclusive details of the preparedness, but we told them that we need to again seat them. We'll be visiting the sites also. This is the thing today we have discussed.
What about planning board? They have
No, sports department and especially the Honorable Chief Minister's office is vigorously pursuing. Meghalaya Planning Board, as per its mandate, we are also monitoring. Yeah, government might have worked on that, but what we discussed earlier also from planning board, I was given an idea that one of the reason out of all the reasons is that roadside parkings of the vehicles. So government has gone vigorously to create more parking spaces in and around the city, and definitely this will decongest the traffic is now. Yeah, so far I told you, so far so good. Things are going ahead, and we as planning board, we are also monitoring side by side. But as I told you, that it is not only sports department, but also the Honorable Chief Minister's office is vigorously pursuing, not only on infrastructure, but also preparedness of the athletics also. No, we have given whatever suggestion is required. Again, we'll be sitting. We have not concluded yet. Yeah, we'll be visiting some sites.
Pidan dukan marbam ndai compare la ka bared ka pidi harut surok ni ka bahe kum ki restaurant bat ki way ni pishat roti shat kiek bat ki way na ka benta ka koi ka khya jongi pat ba nong bam nong di pat ba phinyo ka jingshania naki pidan kam bandon de ka license ka papaka ka bala ithu da ka an kata ka Food Safety and Standards Act arjar henril link back a section like Poi Iway. Kam de ka ba ba pinyo ek license pila ban apply ko online link back website foscas.fssai.gov.in da ka ba pi hap an upload ru ki kot kisla badan kam kat kum ka jajing kam jong pi pila ru banyak kendo ki designated officers lani food safety officers ke badan hak office terekam jong u lani ke district medical and health officer habro ke district ke badan Meghalaya lat no tang ha is khasihers pila ban let bet chak office terekam jongki ka commissionerate of food safety ke badan halowa la chumya nakabenta ka kot kakya kinong bam nong di lawan ra shapi daga commissionerate of food safety government of Meghalaya but balakirshan like a Food Safety and Standards Authority of India.